Oh, we're not in the barn. We're not in the wood shop. We're not pounding on the anvil. I've been mentioning in a few videos that we've been working on the house, doing quite a bit. This is what's been keeping me from making videos, but I'm home with the kids today. Mary's working, and well, they're outside. That's a good place for them. It's gorgeous out. You come inside, and your kids are sitting there doing this, and it makes you want to use their devices as shotgun targets, but that's okay. So anyway, what we have going on. So you guys were with us when we tore the half wall out of here. We used to have a half wall sitting right in the middle of the room. We've since re-drywalled that, been spackling, things like that. If you look up above, you'll see new ceiling going in. Let's turn you around, see what else. I'm using the entertainment stand as a tripod. So this corner over here, a lot of stuff is going to get changed. The coal stove is going to come out of this corner for a little bit. We're going to move this out. The pedestal that it sits on is going to get ripped out, and we're actually going to be doing stonework underneath it and stonework all the way up to the ceiling. My only concern about that is I have that window's pretty close to there, so I'm going to have to wahoo that stove out a little bit. It meets all clearances and then some. It actually is well beyond the clearances. A lot of people made comments on that when I installed that there, but believe me, I measured everything, and we are actually well over what we need to be for clearances to the wall, because the sides of that stove don't get very hot. I mean, they get hot, but they're not like a wood stove, a sheet metal or a steel wood stove. There's baffles inside that creates an airspace in there, so the sides just don't get as hot. Most of the heat comes right off of the doors of that stove. It's actually amazing. It's like standing in the sun when that's running. But anyway, so we're gonna do that. Today we're going to work on getting more ceiling up. I'll get as much done as I can. I've got a couple hours before we have something we have to go and do. And also, for all of you who have been bitching at me about not working on the barn, I picked up most of the rest of the boards today to close up that back end. So that's good news for us. I can't wait to do it, but if I don't get some work for Mama done, it's going to be very lonely in my house. So anyway, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side. Being in a drywalled ceiling, once in a while you hit a screw. And I've done it probably 6 or 7 times between the kitchen ceiling and this half. That's a pain. But fortunately they come out easy enough. Didn't have to find that. Just gotta get my block. All right, so that's what's been going on. That's what's been keeping us from a lot of the barn projects, doing stuff inside the house, getting ready to, ready to refinance, to get some of our, make things a little bit easier on us. Hate to do it, but that's just the lay of the land right now. But, so we've got to finish this ceiling up. We're going to put a fake box beam down the center, ceiling fan to go in. We've got new track lights up. Stuff like that, and then of course the big job's probably going to be the stove. That's going to be quite a bit of work there, but that should be fun. We have so much natural stone around here from the farm. I mean, there's we have rock piles everywhere, a ton of granite and things like that, and clean it up some, shine it up a little, it'll be real pretty. Should be really nice, so I'm really looking forward to that stuff, and that one will definitely bring the camera around. I've never done it before, so we're going to try it out and see how it goes. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. That's what's going on. I'll catch you on the next one.